Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up jobs in QuickBooks Desktop. First, you'll want to enable job costing in your company settings. This allows you to track income and expenses for individual projects. Next, we'll walk through creating a new customer and then adding a specific job under that customer. This foundational step is crucial for organizing your projects and ensuring accurate financial tracking from the start. Once your job is set up, the next step is creating an estimate. You'll use your item list to detail all services and materials. After your client approves the estimate, QuickBooks makes it easy to convert it directly into an invoice. This streamlines your billing process and helps you maintain a clear record of what has been quoted versus what has been billed, ensuring you capture all revenue.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great content. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money and investing, I highly recommend the book The Simple Path to Wealth *. It's a fantastic read. You can find a link to it, along with other deals, in the video description below. Now let's get back to the video.
Accurately tracking costs is vital for job profitability. You can assign expenses, employee time, and even mileage directly to a specific job. When purchasing materials, use purchase orders and link them to the job, ensuring vendor bills are also tied back. This comprehensive approach helps you see exactly what each project is costing you, providing a clear financial picture. QuickBooks Desktop offers powerful reporting tools to analyze your job data. You can generate job profitability reports to see how well each project performed financially. Reviewing unbilled costs by job ensures no expenses are missed before invoicing. These reports are invaluable for making informed decisions about future projects, pricing strategies, and overall business growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.